Hello and welcome to another Motion Industries how-to video. This edition is Tom's Toolbox, and I am your host, Tom Clark. And today, we're going to show you the difference between using LPS's PreSolve Degreaser versus standard brake cleaners, which in many cases is what people use to degrease things. Okay. Now, before I do any of this, I'm going to make sure that I have on the proper PPE, which stands for Personal Protective Equipment. And, you at home should always make sure that you wear the proper PPE for whatever the job calls for. So, first of all, I'm putting on my gloves. But I'm also going to be putting on my safety glasses as well. These are my regular glasses. I'm going to trade those in for a very cool pair of safety glasses. How are them apples? All right. Now, we're going to take these couple sheets of metal right here that's covered in greasy grime stuff. Ew. You don't want any of that on any of your machinery, trust me. And I'm going to spray one side with the brake cleaner, and I'm going to spray the right side over here with the LPS PreSolve. All right. We're going to let this set for a moment. Count to 5 with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sprayed them up pretty good right now. Now, we're going to let that sit for just a couple seconds. Now, like any job, it's important that you have the right tool to use. Now, the same applies to industrial chemicals. And when it comes to degreasing, this means using a product that is specifically designed for your application. The degreaser that you're using should be 3 things: safe, effective, and a time saver. 3, that's 3. Now, many people use cheap brake cleaners instead. Okay, which is not good. The LPS PreSolve Degreaser removes tar, grease, adhesive residue, and oil-based contaminants. It cleans on contact with a natural ingredient base that works so much better than brake cleaners. It's ridiculous. PreSolve has a controlled evaporation that stays on the area long enough to actually clean it. All right, let's get back to the grimy sheet of metal. Now, I'm going to take a wiper right here, and I'm going to wipe this side, which has the brake cleaner on it, okay? Okay, not really doing such of a great job. Some is coming off, but yeah, pretty unimpressive. All right, now we're going to wipe off the side with the PreSolve. Oh gosh, there's no difference at all. They're the same. Not. The PreSolve killed it. Will you look at that? I mean, the grease and grime came right off. I would be pretty close to eating off that. I mean, that's incredible. I mean, this is a great solution for heavy industry use, like on paving and surfacing equipment, earth movers, oil rigs, and more. Also, for jobs that don't require such a powerful degreaser, LPS has this right here. This is the OCX Citrus Degreaser. And as you can see here, this is part of the LPS Value Performance line. Now, for more on this great solution, or if you have any questions about anything at all, just contact your nearest Motion Industries branch location, talk to your representative, they'll be able to help you out. And as always, I had on the appropriate PPE for this entire operation right here. Make sure you do as well. Glasses, gloves. Safety is the top priority for this or any other job out there. All right? Now, be sure to check out other Tom's Toolbox videos, which is priority number 2 with me, Tom Clark, as your host. You can find it on the Motion Industries YouTube channel. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And I can't stand the fact that this is dirty, so I'm just going to clean this because